Summer holidays just started. It's raining in Scotland since morning. So I decided to make a tea and do a craft work. My kids' decorative cushions are all faded and start looking used up. So it's time to make some pretty beautiful cushions for them. At first, choose the fabric. I prefer to use stretchy velvet fabric in baby pink color. I cut the fabric ready for the video. The length is around 1 meter and width is 40 centimeters. I'm making a small cushion, but if you need to make a large one, it needs to take more fabric. Then it needs to sew the short sides with 40 centimeters width together. At this part, it needs to be done in a sewing machine. Don't worry, it just needs a basic level of sewing skills for this. Bring it back to the work area. Now, it's a tubular shape with 2 openings. Our next step is to close one of the openings. You need to use a hand sewing technique. Start doing a running stitch around 1/2 inch away from the seam. Remember to use a strong thread. I am using a nylon thread like this. While the 2 ends meet, we can pull the thread tight and secure it by tying it. Then we can fill the cushion. I'm using regular fiber filling. It is light in weight, washable, and easy to dry. Once it is well filled, you can close the opening. I'm gonna be sewing it like the other side I just done earlier. Secure the thread and bring the pleats to a proper shape. Play with it and adjust the filling. You can throw some punches to get rid of your frustration. Now it's time to add these crystal buttons to its center part. I got these buttons on eBay. Then you need to have a long needle and a strong cord or string. I am using a wax cord, which is really strong. Sew the crystals and secure it. To make a tulle fringe trim, I'm using this net roll, which is around 18 centi wide. This can be found on any online stores selling craft items and fabrics. Fold the net on its half and start sewing. Just use a running stitch and gather the pleats to one side. Then once you have made enough length of it, we can attach it to the cushion. Sew the fringe to the cushion. At this part, I finish recording the video because I need to sit in a comfy position, which makes it much easier to complete the work. I'm almost completed the sewing fringe to the cushion part. And here is the finished cushion. Isn't it beautiful? I just made it like how I just imagined. You can make it for your daughter or granddaughter. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and thumbs up. I will be uploading regular videos from now on. And it's still raining here. Hope you enjoy the video.